Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are cooking up a storm with a delicious and healthy twist on a classic soya chunk biryani. We are bringing you a flavorful and satisfying meal that's perfect for vegetarians and those looking for a meat-free alternative, packed with the goodness of soya chunk. This recipe is not just tasty but also nutritious. Get ready to be amazed by how closely this biryani mimics the traditional meat version without compromising on flavor. We'll guide you through the entire process from marinating the soya chunk to layering the biryani perfectly. So gather your ingredients and let's get cooking. This soya chunk biryani is sure to impress your friends and families. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for more delicious recipes. And if you tried this recipe, then please do comment and let me know how it turned out to be. Ready to embark on this culinary journey? So now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling. Cover it and allow it to boil. Then add some salt to taste. Add 2 bay leaves, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 6 cloves, 15 black peppercorns, 6 green cardamom, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 2 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 20 minutes. Add 4 tablespoon oil and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook the rice for about 70%. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see, the rice is not fully cooked, it's just cooked about 70%. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply strain the rice. So the rice is ready for biryani. Then keep water for boiling. Cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 150 grams soya chunks. Add some salt to taste. Then give this a nice mix. Cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. Then give this a nice mix. As you can see, the soya chunks are perfectly cooked, and simply strain it. Then allow it to cool down completely. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 3 onions sliced and fry it until the onion is nice and dark brown. Something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then check on the cooked soya chunks and gently squeeze the water. This is a very important step, or else the gravy for the biryani will be too runny as it will leave water when you are preparing the gravy for the biryani. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add half tablespoon cumin seeds, 5 green cardamom, 6 cloves, 1 maize spice, and fry this for few seconds. Then add 2 onions chopped and fry this until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 3 carrots cut in medium cubes and fry this for about 5 minutes. Then add 1 cup green peas. Add 3 tomatoes chopped, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, and fry this until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon cumin powder, 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon biryani masala. You can use any of your favorite kind. Then fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure the masala is nicely cooked with the vegetables. Then add 1/3 cup water and fry this for about 2 minutes. Then add half cup yogurt or curd and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on a low flame. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube. Add some chopped coriander leaves and then cook it again for about 2 minutes. Then add the cooked soya chunks and fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then cover it and cook it for about 2 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter and give this a nice mix. Then simply add the rice Make sure the rice is nicely covered. Then sprinkle some garam masala powder. Add the fried onion which was previously made. Also add some chopped coriander leaves. Add some orange food coloring. Add 1/4 teaspoon saffron soaked in water for about 20 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons ghee. And lastly add a pinch of salt. Then cover it and cook it on a low flame for about 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure to seal it properly. Use a tissue paper to seal it. And there you have it guys, a fragrant and flavorful soya chunk biryani. This vegetarian delight is packed with flavor and perfect for a satisfying meal. The combination of aromatic spices and tender soya chunks create a truly unforgettable taste experience. Serve this biryani hot with raita or a side salad for a refreshing contrast. You can also customize this recipe by adding some of your favorite vegetables or using different type of soya products. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious vegetarian recipes. And if you try this recipe, be sure to tag me on social media. I would love to see your creation. Also, do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. Also, if you like this recipe, then please do comment and let me know. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.